You can read the full news from the link available in the description. Number 1. Indo and Russian joint venture begin manufacturing of Kalashnikov AK-203. Number 2. Vietnam President Nguyen Phuc resigns from the presidency. Number 3. Retired DG of BSF Pankaj Kumar Singh appointed Deputy NSA. Number 4. Uzbekistan and Singapore agree to enhance cooperation in public administration and personal training. Number 5. Government cuts the windfall tax on domestically produced crude oil and jet fuel. Number 6. Saudi Arabia launches an events investment fund to boost sectors. Number 7. Writer Venu received Federal Bank Literary Award 2023. Number 8. World's oldest person, French nun Lucile Randon, dies at the age of 118. Number 9. Telecom giant Airtel to invest 2,000 crore rupees to set up hyperscale data center in Hyderabad. Number 10. NCLT sanctions the amalgamation of Equitas Holdings and Equitas Small Finance Bank. That's all for today. Please consider subscribing the channel for daily current affairs.